Hello, my darling Fumination. I just wanted to show you what I do, my aftercare workout routine when it comes to my hair, to my skin, because there are some products that you're going to live and love, and I wanted to share this with you. Because I work out every day, I am very conscious of my hair. I don't like to wash it all the time, but the sweat and all of that, I want my hair to stay fresh. For those of my new followers, I am addicted to Healthy Hair Studio by ENITAN, and her inches conditioned is like no other. It's unmatched. So what I do, because of the sweat and the oils and all of that, I take the conditioner. Look at it's like egg white. It's so thick and yummy, so nice. I put that on my hair. Yep. And it breaks down all the oil. It breaks down all of the sweat, because I don't like to have stinky anything. And so I put that in my hair. I rinse that out because I work out every day. I don't wash my hair every day. You don't need to. It just conditions my hair. Even when I rinse it out, I don't necessarily need to wash it. And then I have my bath. So let's do that now. I get my skin warm, you know, ready to wash. I don't necessarily remove the conditioner from my hair right away. Get my skin wet and then I wash. Because of so much sweating, I use the pH 5 Eucerin. Fantastic. And then I just put that on my little sponge loops and I just wash. And then I rinse out. Cetra brand, again, because I'm sweating constantly, my skin can be a little dry. Love this. Squeeze some out. There we go. And I use this on my face. And it just gets all the sweat and the oil without stripping my skin. I wash my face last because I wash my hair. Everything from my hair is out and then I wash my face. Alrighty, we are done. Alright, so just use baby oil and I just put that all over my body and let it just drink into my skin. Then, addicted. I am addicted to it. So I use this on my underarms. Ooh. And I use this on my private area. You will not smell. You can go to work from here. I won't show you that part, but I'm doing it right now. Yeah. You can go to work. You can go on your date. You can come home at 10 p.m. and you will not smell. Not at all. I live. All right, my hair. For those of you that will be asking, my hair thick and Healthy Hair Studio by ENITAN. The best, and it's the best and unmatched. This, my darlings, is Moisture Hold. So you saw that I just used the conditioner and that was it, because I just wanted to wash out the gook, but I still want it hydrated and moisturized because it's relatively clean. So I use Moisture Hold, and that is like a pomade that melts into an oil. It's fantastic. Use my discount code FUMI and you can follow my journey for those of you that are new, because I had relaxed hair, as a lot of you know, and my hair grew. I had traction alopecia, so all of this was gone. And Healthy Hair Studio by ENITAN, she's a trichologist, and she got my hair to grow back thick and fabulous. And here we are, living and loving. Yeah, complete metamorphosis. So see, there we go, living and loving. Then I use Moisture Hold. It's still very cold in London, a little bit. There you go. And it's like a cream, absolutely fabulous. There you go. And last but not least, deep follicle treatment. Fantastic. And that is for all of your alopecia, your hair loss, relaxer, all of that. It came right back. I was absolutely shocked. And I'll put a picture up so that you can see what I'm talking about. So usually I just dab it on the sides and in front. There we go. I use a face massager. You can get this on my Amazon storefront. And I just roll and massage that in. And from there, I take my Dermastamp. Dermastamp are little needles. Little needles. Fantastic, because this is what will bring all of your hair back. And you just stamp it. Does it prick? Yeah, it pricks. That's what it feels like it's pricking. But it absolutely works. And this is what brought my hair back. Got it all back. All back. It just gave me the confidence, you know. I'm just loving, loving, loving. The hair is thick. There's no product in it. It can be difficult to comb. Get this also. This is Healthy Hair Studio. It's a fabulous comb. It just really gets it going, because when I comb with this, it's so thick. Do you see? So I have to do it in stages. Oh my God. Dr. Shramik Moisture Cream for the face. Hydrating. So hydrating. I'm going to put a picture to the side so that they can see. And I just lather that all over my skin. And last but not least, I am addicted. This is Fenty, and it's like a lip balm, and you just twist it and it comes out like this. Fabulous lip balm. I just love it so much. This is the Mellow White Gel Mask for my knuckles, for my elbows, for my knees. I put that right here. Yep. Hands, knees, my bottom, can't show you that, inner thigh, and then my feet. Last but not least is what I use on my keloid scar, because I had a C-section and I keloid. So I discovered Conceal, the ultimate scar cream. It's a beast. Let me just wear my top so that I can show you. I'll be right back. So guys, this is the torso, and then this is my C-section scar. It's as low as I can go. Okay, it was very dark. I have another little scar here. This was fibroid, Abiula. This was I think the fibroid that they took out from here. But my C-section was a hot mess. It was big, dark, and black. And so I discovered this. It's a beast. Absolutely fabulous. There we go. And that's it. Oh, don't let the towel fall. That is my routine. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will link all of these down below. And I have a discount code for this. Fabulous. The best thing, because keloids are a big deal. And I completely understand. I've got this little one that I'm also nursing. But I wanted to try it on my C-section. Copacetic. All of my love, babes. Love you, bye.